How to deploy a website on Netlify. To deploy a website on Netlify, you need to go ahead and create a GitLab, or Bitbucket repository or folder of static files. The fastest method is to log into Netlify. So go ahead and create an account on Netlify if you don't have an account yet on the platform. So simply click on the sign up button if you don't have an account yet, and that will take you into the section. So in here, go ahead and select the sign up method that you want to use. So you can go ahead and sign up with your Google account, with your GitHub account, GitLab account, or your Bitbucket account. So for example, I want to sign up with my GitHub account. I'll simply select GitHub. So once you have an account on Netlify already, go ahead and prepare your website. So make sure your site files such as HTML, CSS, JS, React, or Vue, or Next project are complete. If using GitHub, you can go ahead and push your project from GitHub. So simply select import from Git if you have your project on GitHub. You can also select a template on Netlify to be able to create a project on Netlify. If you have your project on your local drive, you can go ahead and drag the folder into the section to be able to upload the files for your project. Now, once you have uploaded it, go ahead and click on deploy manually, drag your site folder into the upload box. Netlify instantly hosts it with a free Netlify app domain. And then Netlify gives a free subdomain, such as your site.netlify.app. To use a custom domain, you need to go ahead and edit it out to your settings. And that is how you can basically deploy a website on Netlify. So if you have your project on GitHub, simply push it from GitHub. If you have your project on your local device, go ahead and drag the folder into the section to deploy it manually.